Good morning, y'all. Good morning, good morning, good morning, y'all. What's up? How y'all doing? How y'all feeling? It's me. It's me. What's up, y'all? We here to do the office tour. I ain't never gonna have everything. Girl, I am Miss Procrastination Station. Baby, I'm never gonna have it all together. But as much as I can, that's what I'm gonna give y'all. I've been my worst critic. First of all, girl, can you turn your phone off? Because let me go and turn my notifications on. So what we're about to do, y'all, I'm about to give y'all the office tour so y'all can see how my office look, what it's looking like for the end of 2021. When I'm finished buying the pieces, I'm gonna let y'all know the pieces that I want to get as I show y'all my office, so that y'all can, just see those things and know what I mean by the finishing product or the end product, or just the end goal. So we just gonna get into this office tour so that y'all can see what my office is looking like for 2022, and I hope y'all enjoy. And what else I want to say? Love y'all. Bye. Let me stand back a little bit, but y'all, here goes the door. Here is the door to my office, and y'all know my bedroom is on the other side of this door. So here is the door to my office, and we're gonna go around the room this way. Here's the door, and then I have this candle right here because this is where I like to burn my candle. Mostly, sometimes I burn them on my desk, but most of the time I like to put the candle up there that I want to burn and let it burn. And then here is the office closet that's in here, and now it's just a storage closet for like luggage, the video I want to film, dress that I plan on putting on. Yeah, and that's all that's in there. Like nothing that's needed for this office. Then I have my little speaker that goes to my surround sound bar that's up there. It's not hooked up, so that's why the cord is just sitting there. I actually got to run the electrical cord back and through there so that everything can be copacetic. So y'all see this little wire running right here, that goes to the back. Y'all, if you know, you know. Girl, the fact that I finally got this bat hung up in my office, that is a dang on perk. Part one. Oh, you getting it together. So up here we just have this little spin around thingy, and we just have some decor on it. A little snake, a little stack of books, a skull. Y'all know I love skulls. Y'all know I love bats. And then we have these 3 candles sitting here, and then we have a skull little cookie jar where I plan on keeping my snacks for the office. And then we have perfume here and perfume here. That's probably where I plan on keeping it. So I have my luxury perfumes here, and then I have my daily perfumes there. But yeah, this isn't how this is going to stay. I just kind of just put everything there. Sorry about the strap. But yeah, everything is just here for right now, but it's not put up. As you can see, it's a picture frame down there with no picture in it. Right here is this is my Michael Myers mask, and I want to get a little foam head to put him on so that he can sit on top of here. But yeah, so that's what that's looking like for right now. It just is what it is. And then here is my drawer set. I put it on the side right here, so I do plan on putting a few things right there. I want to get a vase, and then down here I have a little floral that I want to put in the vase. But moving on around, so that's that space right there. And as you can see, we do need new curtains. Okay, here's the other window. We do need new curtains. We do plan on getting curtains. So that's the first thing that's needed in here that we came across is curtains. So that is definitely on the list. The second thing, now that we're at the desk, so this is where I do my podcasting, and my microphone is there. My headphones is in this desk drawer, is a chair. So the next thing that we need in this office is a chair. I have my laptop, my iPad, and my phone sitting right there. Cup holder and a pen. It's just my podcasting desk. It just looks like a that. And like I said, here's the chair. You see I tried to put a throw in there to fluff it up to see if that'll help that chair be softer and more comfortable. It does not. The chair is just not made for sitting. It's a chair, so of course it's made for sitting, but not made for sitting for hours at a desk like I do. Is in there. My microphone is actually on the desk. My headphones in there, and then just like I'll be putting a notebook, my podcast notebook in there. And that's this desk. So I also plan on changing. This not gonna be pink. I plan on getting a black desk mat for this desk. And then I plan on getting a mouse pad. Or will I use the desk pad? I plan on getting a mouse pad for this desk as well. The headphone stand, the MacBook stand is all for this desk over here. So like just a little desk setup is needed for this desk over here. That's what we need over here, y'all. And moving around the room, so here is the curtain. Here's my heater, because if y'all don't know, I'm always cold. There's my heater. Here's my podcast backdrop that came in. I'll show that to y'all later. It's kind of rolled up right now, and I put these binder clips. Why my finger stuck in there? So it can not curl up on the end. That's a new piece that I've been waiting for, that I just got at the end of the year. But then we had this little whiteboard, my little note taking, my little motivator, whatever I want to write on it. That was my word for 2020, which was faith. There's a little picture that somebody drew of me from the Unicorn Squad, and it's also acrylic shelf and an acrylic tray right here. We have my light right here, which is giving us the brightness that we need right now, because baby, we definitely need light in here when the curtains are closed and it's not bright outside. So it does what it came to do. So here is my main desk, which is where I do everything, editing and all the things. So like I said, we need curtains over here, desk chair, of course. The last thing that I don't need, but it's on my wish list, which is a new iMac. So I do plan on getting a new iMac, maybe for my birthday. I don't know, I haven't decided, but that's on the agenda. But I plan on doing everything else first. That's like the last thing on the agenda, because this worked perfectly great. No, it don't stutter, it don't skip a beat. We have an iPhone tripod right there that's barely on its last left leg. A coaster. We have this desk mat on here. This is from IKEA. It's been, I flipped it the right side up. She's been doing what she's kind of do. She ain't bothered me none at all. My cup warmer, washi tape, my Archon mount. So that's how I record my planner videos. Right there. And then we, like I said, we had that light, MacBook, Google, mouse pad and mouse, extra camera battery, a pen sitting right there. And then yeah, that's my desk situation. So what we need over here is a desk, a lamp, and a chair. I think that's all we need for over here at this desk. And we moving on around. We have our washi tape sitting over here because we wanted it close to us. So it just goes white colors all the way down, and then it's sitting on top of two little storage boxes that's empty right now. That go to other light that I be using. Here's my sticker card situation. Yeah, and then here is my shelving. So I have two pictures up there, my Jason Voorhees mask, and then my Bible binder planner and conjuring planners, my happy planners. All those are archives, which means I've already used them in the years past. And then we have this empty storage box, letter board. I don't have the letters to, so we stuck with the quote. We have my pink washi drawer, my sticker sticker book thingamajigger, and then we have some loose sticker storage. Gotta keep wipes on deck, paper punch, decorations, Faith and Fearless, and then our unicorn. Oh, the Unicorn Squad. I've had this a long time. So cute. That's at the office. that's the office tour, y'all, and that is everything. Here you go. I told y'all I wanted to get a vase to put these in over here. So that's the floral arrangement that I was saying I want to put right up there. It may be too tall, but y'all, that's the office tour. Oh, that's tall. It's taller than I thought it was. But yeah, y'all, that's the office tour. That is everything. And like I said, we just need a couple. We need our curtains. Things we need our curtains. We need our chairs. Because, baby, these are not working. They are not you know, you'd be like, I can work with these until these you can't work with. They're not comfortable at all. They make me get up before I want to because something been on went numb. I hope y'all enjoyed the tour, and I can't wait till I'm done. I'm almost done, which is great. We almost there. We almost there. And I'm just excited to do everything that I want to do for 2022. Yeah, here's where the magic happens. So thank y'all for tuning in to my office tour. So that is my office tour. Y'all done seen every little nook and cranny. That is everything. I will give y'all a tour of the drawers and what's in my drawers once I have the things in the drawers. That's majority of these drawers in this office is empty. I mean, if they empty, they empty. But the ones that do have something in it, I'm going to get those organized. And then I give y'all a tour and let y'all see what's in the drawers that's in here. Like the tools that I'm using, just so you can see what the storage solutions and all that is. But yeah, that is the completed office tour, y'all. That's what my tour looked like. That's what my office look like now. And I hope y'all enjoyed the video. So y'all let me know how long y'all think it's going to take me to get this all the way pulled together. Do y'all think it's gonna be June? Or do y'all think it's gonna be January? Y'all let me know. I mean, no shade, no shade, no shade, no tea. Y'all let me know how long y'all let me know how long y'all think it's gonna be. Yeah, y'all have a great one. Bye, y'all.